Hello, today we will guide you through how to link PayPal to Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your PayPal account to your Payhip store so you can accept payments smoothly and get paid without hassle. Start by opening your Payhip dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard page. This is your control center for products, customers, and store settings. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen for the account area. Click Account to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where you manage how your store behaves behind the scenes. Inside Settings, locate Payment Details. Click that to open the Payments and Payout options. This page is where you connect payment gateways and set how money reaches you. You'll see options for different processors here. Find the PayPal section and click Connect. Connecting PayPal allows Payhip to route customer payments through your PayPal account, which is ideal if your buyers prefer paying with their PayPal balance or linked cards. Before moving on, make sure you're using an up-to-date browser and that pop-ups aren't blocked, because the next steps may open a new window. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. It's important that this email matches the one on the PayPal account you want to receive funds in. If you use multiple emails with PayPal, choose the primary one you manage for your business, so payouts are consistent. Next, click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely be redirected to PayPal to confirm the connection. If asked, sign into PayPal directly on their secure page, review the permissions Payhip requires to process payments on your behalf, and approve the connection. Never share your password anywhere outside the official PayPal sign-in. Once you confirm, you'll be sent back to Payhip automatically. After returning to the Payment Details page, look for a confirmation that PayPal is connected. You might see your PayPal email listed and a status indicator showing it's active. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. If the connection doesn't complete, double check that the PayPal email you entered is correct, ensure your PayPal account is in good standing, temporarily disable strict browser extensions or pop-up blockers, and try again. That's it. You've connected PayPal to Payhip. From here on, your customers can pay via PayPal, and funds will be routed to the account you just linked. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.